Hi, we're about to cook a ginormous marshmallow in the microwave. They're about that big, and here it goes.
Yeah, here's one of the here's one of the jumbo marshmallows. Yeah, you probably can't see it, but
You're going to the light.
Oh yeah, duh. See, this is like a normal, or the giant marshmallow that we're putting in, and yeah. All right, so we're gonna put it in for 1:30. Do you see this? Oh my god! That looks weird. Jiggle it again. No, don't do that. Just put it down. Here, Darian, no, let me see it. Hi, Peanut. Yeah, you can't see her. See what I mean? It gets all flat. It's not jiggly anymore, Darian. Here, stop. I'm gonna get a fork. No forks. I'm getting a knife. Don't touch it. It's hot.
No, it isn't.
It's fun. Here, hold the camera.
Too close. Ew.
I'm giving it surgery.
It's all burnt.
I know. Get it on the camera, Darren.
Alright.
Did you rip the plate? No. That is so hot.
That's what it was like before. And
this is what it was like after.
No, this is what it's like before.
Oh, yeah.
And this is what it's like after.
Wow, you took a bite of it. Alright, stop.